North Leamington School has been through a very rapid process of change. We have moved from a situation where we were operating on 4 different sites to 1 newly built site. So we've unified the whole school. The support that we've had from the local authority is quite manifest, actually.
The school approached the local authority about the ICT provision. That was really the start of an 18-month process where we were looking at the requirements of the school, the vision for a learning village and the way that individualised learning could take place and the sort of technology that might support that.
The new school and the facilities regarding ICT are just far superior to what we've had. We've got a stable platform now and it just allows the students to explore and develop their own ICT experiences.
The ICT system in a school is quite amazing nowadays. We have 600 computers out there, you've got 12 servers that are virtualised inside Hyper-V, and all of that's managed by 2 technicians and the network manager. So essentially that's a very big system to manage and it needs to be very, very efficient. One of the things that we've done to enable that is we use System Centre Configuration Manager and we use application virtualizations. The design decisions that we took about the way that the network was implemented were influenced by the technology that Windows 7 includes and Server 2008. The whole thing is very integrated and it shows a level of maturity in managing the systems that I don't think we've had before.
Our fundamental aim was to build one network with one logon and one experience, and that's working very, very well at the moment.
The whole school environment is a Wi-Fi area, so we're not tied down to a classroom base. You know, we've got mobile devices that can take us out to do field work, so I can see the benefits in science, I can see the benefits in PE for analysis of sport. You know, it just makes the opportunities for expanding the learning immense.
It's really added an extra level in terms of the curriculum.
Moving on to Windows 7, for me, you need to first of all understand where I would be coming from, because essentially I'm a word processor. So I am the kind of person who might normally be very frightened of a new system. So I was quite pleased actually to find that there appeared to me to be more logic to the way things were set out on the screen, and I felt it was genuinely more user-friendly.
You can see the delight in the children's faces when they see what they're actually using. They've heard a lot about Windows 7, there's been a lot of good press about it, and in this case I think it's a bit of a surprise to find that they're actually using Windows 7 months before anyone else, so I think that gives them a real lift.
The attitude of the children to learning in this school has always been good, but it has changed for the better quite markedly.
They were delighted, they were absolutely tickle pink with the hardware that was provided and the ease of the platform.
For them to have Windows 7, you know, it just shows we mean business within the school to give them the best opportunities for learning.
They can recognise that this is different from the systems that we had in the last school, that it represents the next generation of systems. That has a powerful effect on them because suddenly they feel that they've been valued with the latest technology. That's the way they never expected things to be. What we're trying to do is inspire these children to continue with lifelong learning. So in a sense, we're just trying to play a small inspirational part in them building their own future learning. What we've got in this school is this brand new building which can operate as a hub of learning. It can give them a start to actually seeing in reality how things can be and how you can learn, and to move that forward into the whole of the rest of your life.